So last week we were invited out to Brooklyn, more specifically Brooklyn's cruise terminal, to check out Carnival's Princess Line cruises with their new Ocean Medallion technology. So if you follow us on the site or if you read the site, we talked about it maybe a few months back of different things they have going on in regards to using technology to make guests on a cruise experience a lot smoother. So we got a chance to kind of see some of that firsthand to see how that all works. You know, learn a little bit more about what technology and kind of see it in action. We boarded like you would normally do. We're actually on board a cruise ship heading to Canada. I think it was making a pit stop in Boston. So this was an active cruise. People were boarding. So we got a chance to go on and demo it for maybe about a few hours before the ship actually took off and kind of get the experience they would get, at least stepping onto the ship. The first thing you see looks like, you know, if you've never been on a cruise ship, it looks like a fancy hotel. You know, you got piano down there, you got people playing instruments and different things. You can see concierge. So let's get to the meat and potatoes of this whole video. So the Ocean Medallion is this little small thing, weighs about 1.8 ounces. It's wearable tech, it's about the size of a quarter. Can be worn as a pendant, clip, sports band, bracelet. Uses micro antennas along with NFC and Bluetooth to talk to different sensors, kiosks, and devices all throughout the ship. There's about 7,000 sensors throughout the ship that it can talk to. The NFC that it uses is two-factor authentication with each interaction. So this helps with identity verification. It doesn't replicate data, but it also works with the app with your Android or iOS. So when going into your room, you can just kind of walk into your room without, you know, if you got your hands full, you just walk in and it'll open. Let's say if you back up and go again, it's going to think, you know, maybe somebody's following you or something. So it'll require you to actually, you know, put the medallion up to the kiosk, and then it'll open the door. This kind of goes hand in hand with that, but it's also part of the experience. So, you know, they offer Netflix and Waze and Uber Eats, Clear, Xfinity Wi-Fi, and Nest apps, all available on your ship. So one of the cool things they explain is that, say you order a drink, and instead of hanging out in your room waiting for it, you're like, I'm gonna go kill some time at the casino. And instead of your drink or whatever you order come to your room, it'll come to you at the casino. So it's kind of, yeah, it's tracking you, but the intent of it is to offer a great experience. So it uses the Medallion Wi-Fi network is actually out by the pool. By the elevators, you got these large touchscreen portals where you can game, play some trivia. You can check out the itineraries on the ship. You could check out a 2D or 3D view map of the ship. And then you can also track down your friends and loved ones and all that if they want to be tracked. Of course, that's something you could turn off. Now, all this might sound fine and dandy for most of you guys, but some people out here are concerned with, you know, privacy and data. We're all kind of walking data farms, giving up our information in order for free access to different things. So in this case, their goal isn't to replicate your data. The crew only sees your preference of drinks, food, and games in order to provide a better experience. Definitely looking forward to seeing how this technology grows. If you checked out Carnival's Ocean Medallion for yourself, let us know how you like it. If not, if you want more information, we got a link to it in the site, as well as link to Carnival in case you want to just, okay, I like what I see, I want to check it out, I want to book a cruise. If you're new here, like and subscribe so you can tell us what we're doing wrong, what we're doing right. Talk about that in the comments below. Thank you for being here. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. We appreciate you for doing so, and see you in the next video. Peace.